Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then find and select settings, scroll down and choose here the apps. Apps are located right here under device. Let's here find and select the all apps right here, use menu right here and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset apps, and that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.